What are they doing? All for the past hour. Number one and number two. What are they doing? We don't have air shows over here. We're not allowed to. They said they were too noisy. So what are they doing? Because it rumbled the house when they went by the first time. He doesn't like it either. You scared him. You scared him away. Come here. Razor. Razor. What? There's a bird up. I do not see them anymore. But they keep, they're like, I don't know what they're doing. They're flying in like patterns. Maybe this is scheduled. I don't know. It seems hard to believe because they stopped the air shows here because it was too loud, they said. So why are there jets flying by and rumbling all the houses?